Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're sharing the updated guide. Hide contacts on Android phone. So if you've been looking for a quick way to keep certain contacts private, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and open the Google Chrome app. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, so everything loads properly. Step 2. In the Chrome browser, tap the search bar at the top. Now type Google Contacts and hit search. From the search results, tap on the one that leads to contacts.google.com. This is the official Google Contacts site. Step 3. Once you're in the Google Contacts page, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts. But make sure that you're signed in with the same Google account where those contacts are saved, or else you won't see them here. Step 4. Now, scroll through your list and select the contact you want to hide. Simply tap on that contact to open up the full details and options for it. Step 5. At the top right corner, you'll notice a 3 dots icon. Tap on that to open the drop-down menu. In the list of options, look for the one that says Hide from Contacts and tap on it. And boom, that contact is now hidden. To confirm it, go back to your contacts list. You'll see that the contact no longer appears in the visible list. And that's it. This method is especially useful if you want to clean up your contact list or keep specific contacts out of sight without deleting them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.